Yo, I went full beast mode on the hottest AI video generators, Sora, Veo, and Grok, to make a cinematic masterpiece. And bro, you won't believe the chaos. I'm no pro at prompts, but today I went all in, crafted insane scenes, and tested which AI can actually flex its cinematic muscles. Here's the twist. The ranking is your call. Watch closely, comment which tool nailed the vibes, which video felt epic, and drop any wild prompt ideas. I'll try them next. Let's go!
See it, hold on. Rifles up! Stop the convoy! Go, go! Stay low!
Coming out!
And that's a wrap. Today we pushed Sora, Veo, and Grok to their limits to see which AI can really slay cinematic scenes. Now it's all on you. Tell me in the comments which AI crushed it, which gave the vibes you love, and if you want all the prompts I used, type prompt and I'll hook you up. And obviously, smash that like, subscribe, and bell. Let's keep making AI movie magic together.